What basically is integration? Integration is just the inverse operation of differentiation. What we did in differentiation, just we have to do inverse function, inverse operation we have to do. Some more functions we'll see based on the standard functions. Just say if we have a function ax plus b to the power n with respect to x, we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. What we'll get? First of all हमें क्या मिलेगा? n आगे आ जाएगा फ्रंट में, एंड देन a to the power a plus ax plus b to the power n minus 1 हो जाएगा. And now we have to differentiate this also. Okay, so इसे हम differentiate करेंगे separately. So ax को differentiate करके we'll get a and b will be 0. Okay, and when b को differentiate करेंगे we'll get 0. Okay, so what value we are getting? n a into ax plus b to the power n minus 1. This value will get. Okay, now after integrating this same value, what we'll get? Ax plus b to the power n with respect to x. So if we have the same function ax plus b to the power n with respect to x, so what will value will get? First of all, we have to increase the power. Okay, so ax plus b to the power n plus 1 हो जाएगा, and we'll divide this by n plus 1 से हम divide करेंगे, and here we were multiplying with a. Why? Because हम इसे जब differentiate करेंगे we'll get a. So similarly we were getting a. So now we have to divide by a. Okay, so we'll divide it by a. Okay, so what value we'll get? This ax plus b to the power n minus n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1, and plus c we have to keep for constant. Okay, so this way this is advanced functions, मतलब derivative जो भी हम integration कर रहे हैं advanced है based on standard functions. Now we have one function log of ax plus b, and we have to find out the derivative of this function with respect to x. So what value we'll get? We'll get the value, first of all, log of something, we'll get 1 upon that something, ax plus b. Now ax plus b को भी हमें differentiate करना होगा. So now after that we have to find out d upon dx of ax plus b. So what value we'll get? A plus 0 we'll get, because when we'll differentiate ax we'll get a, and when we'll differentiate b we'll get 0. Okay, so what value we'll get? A divided by ax plus b. This value we'll get. Okay, now we have to integrate this. Okay, instead of this one we'll take only this one only, ax plus b, इसको ही हम differentiate integrate करते हैं. Okay, so this is a function that we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So what value we'll get? First of all, a is constant, so we'll keep here a. Okay, now for this one, 1 upon something, we'll get log of that something. Okay, ax plus b. Okay, now here we were differentiating this मतलब ax plus b को भी हम differentiate करते थे. So what we'll do here, we'll integrate that. Okay, so here we have to integrate. So integrate मतलब after differentiating ax plus b, what we were getting? A plus 0. So here what we'll get? When what we have to do, वहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते थे a से, तो here we'll divide it by a. ठीक है, and plus c, constant always we have to keep. Okay, so this a cancel. So what value we got? Log of ax plus b plus c. ठीक है, so this value we got. So have we started from the here ax log of ax plus b. So when we are integrating, integration is the inverse operation of differentiation. So what we got here, just the same thing we have taken here, and we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x, and we got the same value. Okay, so a to the power x के लिए what after differentiating a to the power x with respect to x, what we'll get? विल गेट a to the power x, वही वैल्यू रहता है ना, तो a to the power this multiplied by log of a, ये वैल्यू मिलता है. ओके, now here we have done this. After that this is the power में जो है that is not x, power में है that is px plus q. Again we have to differentiate this value. So d upon dx of px plus q. So what value we will get total? ये p मिलेगा हमें because q is constant. So q with respect to x will get 0 and px with respect to x will get p. Okay, so p we have to multiply. So p into a to the power px plus q and multiplied by log of a. So this value will get. Okay, so क्या value हमें मिला? ये value. Okay, now we have to integrate this. So we have to, अच्छा हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं like p, you can write here. Okay, so a to the power px plus q multiplied by p log a. Okay, so this value we are getting. Okay, so what we'll do now, we have a function. If we have a, now we have to find out the integral of a function a to the power px plus q. The same function we are taking here, and here we just differentiate this function with respect to x. Now here the same function we are taking and we have to find out the integral of this function with respect to x. So what value will get? A to the power x अगर हम लेते हैं, so उसके लिए क्या होता था? A to the power, after integrating a to the power x, what we were getting? We were getting a to the power x divided by log of a. So first of all here we will write a to the power px plus q divided by log of a. ठीक है, ये वैल्यू हम लिखेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी वेर डूइंग, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था? वी वेर यहाँ हम डिफ्रेंशिएट करते थे एंड वी गॉट p, तो वी वेर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस बाय p. सो हियर वी डिवाइड दिस बाय p. ठीक है, हम डिवाइड करेंगे p से. ओके, सो व्हाट वैल्यू टोटल कंप्लीट जो वैल्यू हमें, एंड आफ्टर इंटीग्रेटिंग वी ऑलवेज कीप c, one constant we should keep. So the value what we'll get, the complete value will be a to the power px plus q. Okay, a to the power px plus q divided by p log a. Okay, so after integrating a to the power, after differentiating a to the power px plus q, we got a to the power px plus q multiplied by p log a. But when we are integrating the same function a to the power px plus q with respect to x, what we got? We got a to the power px plus q divided by p log a. So here we were after differentiating we have to multiply, मतलब जो value हमें मिला that is the same function fx जो भी हमने लिया into p log a, and यहाँ पे fx divided by p log a. Okay, and plus c always we should keep. Okay, so now e exponential function के differentiate standard function we saw how to differentiate and how to integrate the standard function. So based on those exponential functions, standard functions, we can also find out the value of this. Okay, this function. So this is a function e to the power px plus q with respect to, we have to find out the differential derivative of e to the power, derivative of the function e to the power px plus q divided by with respect to x. So what value will get? E to the power x के लिए हमें क्या value मिलता है? E to the power x मिलता है. But here this is e to the power px plus q. So the same value will get, but we also have to differentiate this value d upon dx into px plus q. इसे भी हमें differentiate करना पड़ेगा. So what value will get? After differentiating this one will get p. Px को when we'll differentiate px with respect to x will get p, and when we'll differentiate q with respect to x we'll get 0. Okay, so for this one we'll get p, so we'll write here p and plus 0, only p. Okay, we'll write here because p plus 0 is p. So p into e to the power px plus q. Okay, this value will get. Okay, now we have to integrate the same function, this function. Now we have to find out the integral of the same function with respect to x. So what value we'll get after integrating? So after integrating this function, what we'll get? e to the power x के लिए तो हमें e to the power x ही मिलता था, right? So e to the power px plus q. But when after differentiating the function, what we were getting, हमें क्या मिला, p यहाँ से हम multiply करते, तो we were multiplying this function by p. So after integrating, when we are integrating ना, so px को integrate करेंगे, we have to divide it by p. Okay, so we have to divide this by p. So the value what, and always keep c. Okay, so what value after integrating the same function, so integral of this function with respect to x, we'll get integral of this function with respect to x is e to the power px plus q divided by p plus c. Okay, so when we are integrating, differentiating this function, we are just this let fx. Okay, so if we are differentiating this fx, what we are getting pfx. Okay, but when we are integrating this fx, what we are getting fx upon p. Okay, so pfx we are multiplying by p in case of differentiation, and in case of integration we are dividing by p. Okay, so this is just the inverse function, inverse operation we have to do. We have to just keep in mind, you have to do inverse operation. Always you have to do inverse operation. Whatever you are doing in differentiation, just opposite. So what is the first step you are doing, that should be the last step in case of integration. So in like when we are differentiating something, so there are, if 2-3 steps are there, like first of all we are just keeping the power, we are multiplying something. So in case of integration, we have to divide instead of multiplication. But अगर हमने multiplication पहले किया है, तो हम division last में करेंगे when in case of integration. Like if we have a value x to the power 4. Okay, this example we saw na. So when we are differentiating this function, first of all what we are doing, we are just skipping, सबसे पहले we are multiplying it by 4, and then we are subtracting the power of 4 minus 1, that is 3 किया. But when we are integrating something like 4x3 हमें integrate करना है, in that case what we have to do, हमने सबसे पहले what we did here, we just multiplied. So here we have to do division, but in last division हमें last में करना, because first in starting we did multiplication. Okay, and in after that we just did subtraction. So here first of all opposite of subtraction is addition. So यहाँ पे जो हमने पहले operation किया है, that should be the last operation. Inverse of this operation should be in last, and inverse of this operation जो कि हमने second में किया है, that should be first. Okay, so पहले multiplication किया, then subtraction किया, तो multiplication की जगह we have to do division, and subtraction की जगह we have to do addition. But first of all we did multiplication, so we'll do division in the last, and after that in last we have done subtraction. So here first of all we have to do addition. Okay, so first of all हम add करेंगे power, that is and 4 will keep constant, and पहले हम add करेंगे तो it will be 4, and then we'll divide by the current power. Okay, so that is 4. So we got x to the power 4. So this way we have to do. So always keep in mind that inverse operation so we have to do. Like if we have done addition, so we have to do subtraction in integration, and if we are doing subtraction, we have to do addition. If we are multiplying something, we have to divide it, and if we are doing division, we have to multiply it. Okay, so differentiation and integration are just inverse operation. But also one thing we should keep in mind, कि अगर हमने multiplication की जगह हमें division करना है, but first of all we are doing multiplication then subtraction, so in that case in inverse I mean integration में, मतलब inverse operation में, first of all we have to do addition, then we have to do division. Okay, so जो process है, like in stack, you know what is stack? Like in a bucket if you are putting something, एक कोई books रखा, if in a carton, if you are putting a book, another book, another book, another book, so जो book पहले रखा वो you cannot take first, वो सबसे last में ले सकते हैं. तो similarly the processes are the functions, जो भी operations है वैसे ही करना है. So first of all what operation you are putting, you are applying here, so that should be in last. Okay, so inverse operation का मतलब है उसका opposite operation भी करना है, and sequence के मामले में भी, like first of all जो किया है that should be, उसका inverse operation should be in last. Okay, Now we have some theorems. So we have to do the first one. Like if we have um, k, we have to integrate. We have to find out the integral of this function k fx with respect to x. What value we'll get? How to do this? So there are some like theorems. What we have to do? Just k is constant, so we can keep this like this, and then we have to integrate fx with respect to x. Okay, so there will be no change in k. Okay, this will be the thing. Okay, now second one, if we have some two functions are there like fx plus gx, okay, and we have to find out the integral of fx plus gx with respect to x. So what we'll do, it means what we have to break that. Like in differentiation, if we have to if there is a function and there is some scalar number that is multiplied with that function like k fx, so in that case what we were doing, we were just finding out the different derivative of fx with respect to x and keeping k matlab side mein k ko we were just that is a scalar value, and that we have to multiply with that. So we were just multiplying with, okay, with it. So here what we'll do, we just similarly, if we have a function, we have to find out the integral of a function k fx with respect to x. We'll keep k inside, we have to just multiply with k. So whatever value, whatever the integral of fx with respect to x will get, so whatever the value of integral of fx with respect to x, we have to just multiply that with k. The value, the integration is done then. Okay. Now similarly, and in differentiation, if we have to differentiate a function like fx plus gx, so what we were doing, we were separately differentiating like fx. What we were doing, हमें क्या करते थे, just find out करते थे different derivative of fx with respect to x plus derivative of gx with respect to x. So the same thing here we have to do. So now when we have to find out the integral of fx plus gx with respect to x, so we have to find out, so the value will be fx integral of fx with respect to x plus integral of gx with respect to x. Okay. Similarly, if we have like we have to subtract two functions in subtraction like fx minus gx with respect to x. Okay, so what value in differentiation हम क्या करते थे, what we were doing there, so if fx minus gx, we have to find out the derivative of fx minus gx with respect to x. क्या करते थे, fx derivative of fx with respect to x minus derivative of gx with respect to x. So similarly here we have to do, when we have to find out the integral of fx minus gx with respect to x, so the value will be integral of fx with respect to x minus integral of gx with respect to x. ठीक है, ये value हमें मिलेंगे. So these are the three important theorems that will be applied everywhere. Okay, so everywhere these theorems will be applied, and based on this we have to do sums. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.